subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new entry-level smartphone called Lava Yuva Pro. Now let's have a look at the specifications. The Lava Yuva Pro features a 6.51-inch HD Plus IPS display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by unknown MediaTek Helio processor paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, with microSD expandable up to 512GB. In terms of optics, the Lava Yuva Pro carries triple camera setup on the rear that houses one 13MP main camera along with the other two unspecified lens. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.8 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the Lava Yuva Pro smartphone. The Lava Yuva Pro has been priced at 7,799 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in metallic blue, metallic grey, and metallic black color options. So what do you guys think of this Lava Yuva Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.